Looking for the best battery-powered chainsaw in 2025? Whether you're cutting firewood, trimming branches, or tackling serious yard work, we've tested the top contenders to find the ultimate performer. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 56-volt Cordless Chainsaw. This is a powerful, efficient alternative to gas and corded models, delivering the performance of a 40cc gas chainsaw without noise, fumes, or hassle. It features separate chain tension controls for precise cuts and an automatic oiler to keep the chain running smoothly for longer durability. Powered by a 56-volt, 2.5 amp-hour battery, it delivers up to 130 cuts per charge and fully recharges in an hour. The battery is also interchangeable with other Ego tools like leaf blowers and hedge trimmers. A high-efficiency brushless motor enhances performance and runtime. Metal bucking spikes provide stability, and the low kickback chain improves safety. While it's slightly heavier at 11.8 pounds with the battery, its control, speed, and power make it an excellent choice for regular landscaping tasks. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max cordless chainsaw. This is an affordable, user-friendly option for light yard work, including pruning small tree limbs, trimming shrubs, and cutting small logs into firewood. Its 10-inch cutting bar offers 8 inches of cutting capacity, making it ideal for occasional use. Designed for ease of use, it features tool-free chain tension adjustment and an automatic oiler for smooth operation. The 20-volt, 2 amp-hour max lithium battery provides sufficient runtime for typical light tasks, though the charger is slow, taking over 4 hours for a full recharge. For safety, the bar and chain minimize kickback, and the front guard protects hands from debris. Even for beginners, this lightweight chainsaw is easy to control and maneuver, offering an efficient, budget-friendly solution for maintaining your yard. Number 3. DEWALT 12-inch Cordless Chainsaw. For beginners looking for a safe and easy-to-use chainsaw, the DEWALT 20-volt max 12-inch chainsaw is an excellent choice. With a compact 12-inch bar, it's well-suited for trimming limbs and other light tasks while remaining highly maneuverable. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it easier to control as you get comfortable using a chainsaw. Safety is a priority with this model, featuring an Oregon low kickback chain and bar, and a chain brake that activates in case of kickback. The lightweight design helps prevent fatigue and makes handling safer. Powered by a 20-volt, 5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 90 cuts per charge. Plus, with a 90-minute recharge time, you can quickly get back to work without long delays. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hatchet Chainsaw. A small chainsaw is ideal for precise gardening tasks like pruning or selectively removing branches. And the Milwaukee 3004-20 is our top pick for the job. Weighing less than 5 pounds, without battery, and just 4 inches wide, it's the lightest and most compact option on our list, making it easy to maneuver around branches. The 8-inch bar may be small, but it can handle branches up to 7.5 inches thick. A brushless motor ensures a long runtime, and an automatic oiler keeps the chain running smoothly. While chain tension adjustments require a tool, the chainsaw includes onboard storage for convenience. Sold as a tool-only unit, it requires a separate Milwaukee M18 battery, which can deliver 100+ cuts per charge. Perfect for seasonal pruning, storm cleanup, or removing dead branches year-round. Number 5. Greenworks Pro 80-volt Cordless Chainsaw. It delivers gas-like power, making it perfect for stocking up firewood over the winter. With an 18-inch bar and an 80-volt, 2 amp-hour battery, it matches a 42 cubic centimeter gas chainsaw, effortlessly cutting logs up to 16 inches thick. This chainsaw provides up to 150 cuts per charge, outlasting many competitors, and is ideal for firewood prep, pruning, storm cleanup, and even felling small to medium trees. While its 13.7-pound weight, with battery, makes it heavier than some models, the power output justifies the bulk. It features an automatic chain oiler for reduced maintenance and a brushless motor for better efficiency and longer battery life. Plus, the quick charger recharges the battery in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. So, which is the best? After testing them all, the Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless chainsaw takes the crown. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and pro-level performance, it's the top choice for serious cutting tasks. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick.